Okay, we're gonna change out these door locks really fast. I bought the truck. The previous owner lost the door key, so now I got some time to replace them since they have arrived. I'm gonna show you all how to change them out really quick. I got other videos on my channel about removing this door panel. Even if you have powered windows and mirrors, it's pretty similar removal for the door panel itself. So, very first thing we want to do, you can use a flathead screwdriver or any kind of trim tool. I'll use a flathead just in case you don't have these, but these make it much easier because they have a tilt to them. You can see. Pop this off. It's held on by these two retainers here. Second thing, you can use a flathead here as well, since it's arguably the most common tool. It's two held on by a retainer, sits in this slot, has two tabs that slit and slide as well. Next thing we're gonna do, move this reflector, handle, flathead screwdriver. It's easier with the trim tools, but we'll use what we got. Just popping this shell off. Popping that shell off. You can also remove this. A Torx T20 bit. Pry it off. Don't lose your screw. Put your screw back in. Yeah. Next thing, we're gonna go here. 7mm. Now the door panel is off. Watch how I remove it. You want to raise it and just pull it forward. Next thing we're gonna do, remove this rubber grommet. $11mm or 7/16 socket will get that nut off. Okay, we got that removed. You may want to have just a magnet on standby in the event it drops in the door, but if it goes in the door, you can easily recover the nut. Next, we want to pull this back some. We're looking dead at what we want. That's our nut. As you look, it's kind of in the way of this, but this bends some, give us some room to get this back. Let me tape this back for video purposes. Let me tape this, put a piece of tape here so you guys can see everything. All right, got a piece of tape there, so make sure you all see every single aspect of this. I'm gonna manipulate this to get onto the nut. I can take my magnet here, pull it out, rotate it to the left, give us access to this clip. Once again, I'm using standard tools, flathead screwdriver. Notice where this side goes. We're gonna put it directly back in this way. The lock is removed, but you see how it's held on to the lever by these tabs. It's kind of bend them back. All you're doing is bending these tabs back and pulling that from off of here. Lock is out. Now we can rotate this back this way. So the new lock will come with many of these C-clips or retainers, but just all you need is one per lock. The lever, and you can use the old lock for reference. Like I said, there's only one way this goes, and we're gonna do it right now. Okay, look at this part. It's a larger part and a smaller part. Look at the lock, the new lock, a larger part and a smaller part. Facing both the same way, larger part. We know they match. Look at here, look how that's made. And look how that's made. So we know our levers, the lever goes on like so. Look how the C-clip retainer is on this one. So what we want to do is put it on the same way. Push it up the same way like that. Needle nose pliers. That's it. Now let's go install it. All right. Remember, this can only seat one way. Let's try it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Can't go this way. Can't go that way. That's the only way it can go. Can't mess up putting it that way. That way. Only one way. That's it. You can't mess up the lever position or where it goes. Remember how this clip came out? Short end was to the right. You can rotate it and pop the lever on. Now we can rotate the handle back around. Take the magnet to get this one started. I'm actually holding this in. I'm gonna actually get my hand in here, get this one installed. I want to note also, the white clip on the newer one doesn't hold as strong as the factory. That one holds well. You can't use these. These are flimsy. It's not made as good as the factory. So I'm probably going to use the other one on the other side as well, the older one. I don't like how these lock in place. They do hold, but these snap in place real firm still to this day. So I didn't like how the lever was sitting inside of those tabs on the newer one, so I just replaced the old one with that one. Just want to make sure I note that. You don't have to do this, but these hold way better and they snap in place. Let's remove our tape. On the door panel, this one got a lot of broken tabs on it, but those seat and slots, that's broken too. Slots. So you want to seat them in those slots and just push down on it, and I'll show you how it goes. So raise up, push down. There we have it. Test it out. It's locked now. Open. Look at the lever. Perfectly installed. All right, gonna do the other side. Just want to make a quick video on this, show you all how to quickly install new locks in your doors in the event you don't have keys or you lose your keys. And the locks are fairly inexpensive. I'll put the link in the description box. I think I paid about 20 bucks for both. Come with everything complete. All right, hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Terrence and I'm out.